Anong kwentong AI mo? Welcome to our short series on how AI, especially RTX AI PCs, help in your life for work, content creation, gaming, productivity, or everyday tasks. I'm Gian of One More Game, and with me is Clark Alonto, Creative Director of Welcome Studios and former esports player. So, Clark, anong kwentong AI mo bilang gamer at creative professional?
Okay, as a so-called creative professional, I use top-of-the-line hardware as my work setup. Isama na din natin yung paggamit ko ng NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs and laptops. Sobrang handy and convenient na nandyan lang yung mga features like NVIDIA Broadcast. Sobrang game changer para sa starting content creators and startup production.
NVIDIA Broadcast app lets you turn any room into a home studio with its suite of features designed to take your live streams, voice chats, and conference calls to a more professional level. So going back, anong feature yung pinaka-nagustuhan mo or gamit na gamit mo kasi medyo madami siya, and ano pa yung benefits na hindi ka agad nare-realize ng mga tao?
Ayun nga, so like you said, any room into a studio. With this app, parang may green screen ka. May noise and echo removal. Yung echo removal parang bagong feature lang siya, pero it lets you have a more controlled audio environment. And lastly, yung pinaka-favorite ko, saka nakakatakot sa sobrang accurate niya ay yung eye contact feature. Na real-time niya naayos yung mga mata mo para nakatingin ka sa camera kahit hindi naman talaga. So una sa lahat dito, yung convenience aspect niya na basta lang may laptop ako na may GeForce RTX laptop GPU, madadala ko na to sa site or sa studio. Or if gusto mo namang maging content creator, you can use the AI para sa mga productivity at paggawa ng content. Hindi mo kailangan bumili kaagad ng prompter, green screen, at iba pang mga equipment. Hindi mo din kailangan ng matinding editing skills dahil one click lang naman siya. So, convenience, oras, gastos yung natitipid mo.
Take note, NVIDIA Broadcast pa lang to, among many apps and features that utilize RTX AI. That said, punta naman tayo sa gaming. Anong features yung mga nagamit mo back when you were an active player?
Of course, you have high FPS sa paggamit pa lang ng RTX GPU, but you also have DLSS, which has improved over the years. Fast-paced gameplay, talagang kailangan mo ng high frame rates. Not only high but stable, so dapat walang jitters or input lag, kaya pati NVIDIA Reflex gamit ko din. Yung ray tracing naman hindi siya important for competitive games kasi those type of games wala naman talaga siyang ray tracing or hindi naman talaga siya kailangan. But for those na meron sobrang gandang visual fidelity and when paired with DLSS, wala kang loss of FPS. In some cases, may FPS gain ka pa nga with frame generation eh. So, dyan nagtatapos ang kwentong AI ko bilang gamer at creative professional. Kaya ikaw, anong kwentong AI mo?